Short-sleeved high-efficiency hanging frame. Has a unique cuff retractable feeling. Can quickly flatten the sleeves. Push your underarm clothes back to hide. Quickly flatten clothes. Improve styling efficiency. Equipped with transparent fishing line suspension. Stealth shooting white background image. Telescopic feeling. Flexible adjustment of width and length. White elbow bendable shape. Shoot extra large clothes. When the hanger is widened, the collar cannot support. The collar telescopic rod can be installed. Adjust collar width. This is a stand-up collar pole. Install the connector first. Insert the strut into the hole. Tightening screw. The pole can also adjust the collar width. Prevent stand-up collar from sagging due to gravity. This partially open foam tube. Mounted on the shoulder. This short foam with a big opening. Installed on the cuff strut. Secure the end with screws and gaskets. Prevent foam tube from slipping. This fully open foam tube. Insert the side of the hanger. This short foam tube. Insert hem telescopic rod. And finally, the hem brace. The length can be adjusted with the telescopic rod. Install the fold positioning rod. Efficiently locate natural folds. Reduce later workload.